Hi, I'm Jim Reardon, president of Biotherm, out here in our shipping area. Our team is loading up a bunch of equipment going to one of our premier customers in the Pacific Northwest growing leafy greens. The system we're providing is several high efficiency condensing boilers, all the pumping apparatus, all the piping. It's a system where we're making all the hot water for the heating system, but we're also making all the CO2. And when the times are not necessary to deliver heat into the greenhouse, we're storing up the hot water in large site-built storage tanks, which actually aren't here. They're being built on site. But it's a very elaborate system. We actually optimized this particular system so that they could eventually migrate to using heat pumps, which is a lower water temperature system, but right now they're going to use the high efficiency clean burning boilers that condense the fuel product or the flue product. But you can see all the pumping and all the big CO2 fans, all the expansion tanks. Everything's going up there for our prime contractor to install, and it's another exciting big CEA project for Biotherm. One thing I neglected to say that's also included in the shipment is our nitrogen blanket system that layers a layer of nitrogen gas on top of the water storage to eliminate any chance of corrosion in the tank. That's all part of the heat storage apparatus and kind of a standard thing when we do that kind of project. So it's on the truck too.